Welcome to Rocketry Bangladesh Community. A new generation of students in Bangladesh is preparing for the future of aerospace, science, and innovation. Rocketry is no longer a dream limited to other countries. It is now becoming a learning path for Bangladeshi students. Our structured level system is designed to guide students step by step, from beginner model rocketry to advanced high-altitude research missions. Level 1, School Explorer. For Class 8 to Class 12 students. Students learn STEM fundamentals, rocket safety, teamwork, and basic model rocket launching. Expected altitude, 0.5 kilometers to 3 kilometers. Level 2, University Builder. For diploma, college, and undergraduate students. Students explore aerodynamics, propulsion concepts, telemetry systems, and structural design. Expected altitude, 3 kilometers to 5 plus km. Level 3, Advanced Researcher. For final year university and master's students. Focused on avionics, data analysis, recovery systems, and advanced project development. Expected altitude, 5 kilometers to 10 plus km. Level 4, Innovation Fellow. For masters, PhD candidates, engineers, and researchers. Students work on high-altitude systems, advanced electronics, and research prototypes. Expected altitude, 10 kilometers to 25 plus km. Level Pro, National Space Track. For expert teams, elite researchers, and industry collaboration groups. Focused on suborbital research missions and next-generation aerospace innovation. Expected altitude, 25 kilometers to 50 plus km. This is more than a program. This is a national platform to build future engineers, scientists, innovators, and aerospace leaders. From classrooms to launch pads. From ideas to engineering. From Bangladesh to the edge of space. Join Rocketry Bangladesh Community and become part of the future. The sky is not our limit. Space is.